Hey there, let's take a look at the growth hormone deficiency market. It's a space that's ready for some big changes.
So get this, by 2034, this market is expected to be worth a whopping $3.3 billion.
Yeah, that's more than double its value from 2025, which sits at about $1.6 billion.
And what's fueling this boom? A really strong 5.7% compound annual growth rate.
So, who exactly makes up this market? Let's break down the patient population.
Just last year, in 2023, there were roughly 165,000 diagnosed cases across these main markets.
You can see the patient pool is mostly in the United States, followed very closely by Europe.
And this number is set to grow. A big reason is we're just getting better at diagnosing it.
Okay, let's pivot to today's treatment landscape. What are the current options on the table?
The market is pretty much dominated by injectable recombinant human growth hormone therapies.
And even with newer weekly options, that treatment burden is still a major challenge for patients.
It's definitely a competitive space. You've got heavy hitters like Novo Nordisk, Pfizer, and Eli Lilly.
Think about it. This treatment burden on kids, that's a massive unmet need and a real opportunity.
So this is where it gets exciting. This challenge is setting the stage for oral therapies.
Two key players could completely change the game, especially Lumos Pharma's LUM-201. In fact, LUM-201 alone is projected to bring in over $131 million by 2034.
And the whole goal here is to swap that needle for a simple, once-a-day pill.
So, what's the recipe for success in this changing market? Let's break it down.
Growth is being driven by rising prevalence and better diagnostics. This creates a huge opening for new therapies.
For these new drugs to succeed, they have to prove their value over the old injection standard.
This move from injection to oral, well, that's the key strategic question for the next decade.